Hey everybody, so we got a quick parts video for the 2000 4Runner. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I went to Napa, grabbed some parts for the 4Runner. And this is also kind of a sneak peek into an upcoming set of videos. Might be one video, might be two, I don't know. But I picked up a fan clutch. And this is just Napa brand. It is part 274346 2671. It is just the fan clutch. And upcoming video will be me discussing and showing you guys how to find out if your fan clutch is bad. This does work for a 2000 4Runner. It could also work for, I believe, 98 to 2001 or 2. I believe they're all similar, if not the same. On mine, there's a bearing right there that went bad, and on that upcoming video, I'm probably also going to show more in detail how you can tell if it is locking or if it's staying unlocked. Could give you guys information about what could and could not happen depending on it, what happens to your RPMs, what you'll feel during engine load, stuff like that. But there is a bearing right there. Well, this bearing is squealing extremely bad on mine, and it's only during heat soaking. As well as I'll probably in that video probably explain how these work. If that's something that might be interesting to you guys, I do not know, but I got one coming. I got one in the mail because, or at my local Napa dealer, because I know mine is bad. Oops, there's a little instruction sheet. I also picked up a set of Tecton wrenches, double box end flex wrenches, that will be here tomorrow. And I also picked up 3 new belts. These belts I do know work for a 2000 4Runner. I think 1996 to 2002 all had the exact same belt configuration. This belt is a Micro V. The part number is 040343. It says 4PK870. This is the Gates version. All of these are Gates brand belts, which is normally what I buy for this truck. This is the AC compressor belt I wrote on it. So again, it is Micro V 250403434 Paul Kilo 870. Next belt is this guy right here, which is the Alternator Belt. It is part number, or it is a Micro V 25 belt. It is part number 040413 Paul Kilo 1054. And these are good belts. All of these belts were 60 bucks, and the fan clutch was 80 bucks. So it wasn't too bad. This is the power steering belt, which is going to be the longest belt out of all of them, because the power steering pulley is so large. This item is another Micro V 25 belt. It is part number 040420 Paul Kilo 1070. And then I picked up 2 of these cans of Berryman B12 Chem Tool Fuel Injector Cleaner. Cleans entire fuel system, gas tank, intake valves, fuel pump, and carburetor. These cans were on sale for $4 a piece. And at Napa, one Seafoam can this size is actually $11, which it's on sale right now for $7.99. But if you do the normal priced math, $11, I got 2 of these cans for the price of one of the Seafoam. And I've used these before. They both work about the same. So the air conditioning belt was $27.29. Fan and alternator was $25.99. And power steering was $31, but the actual price I paid for the air conditioning belt was $18.89. The actual price I paid for the fan and alternator was $17.99, and the power steering belt I paid $21 for. So I got power steering belt $10 cheaper. I got the fan and alternator belt for $8 cheaper. And I got the air conditioner belt for $7.50 cheaper. So just a quick little pickup and an update for the channel. We will be doing a how to find a bad fan clutch, things to look for, quick tips video. So look forward to that. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Not a long video. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel. I would appreciate it if you guys can go like, comment, and subscribe down below, as well as smush the bell notification icon for more content. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!